Hey guys, so I am here at the waiting room, general waiting room. I'll freshen up right now and मैं चला जाऊँगा start my journey. Lakshmi Vilas Palace. So excited! I'm so excited! See the palace. Well, we are at the ticket counter. Ticket counter. What is the ticket price? 250. Hey guys, so just now being inside the Lakshmi Vilas Palace. Excellent, excellent. Could not go inside because restrictions part we can't do anything. But this is how the entire palace looks like. Hi guys, so घूम के आ गया मैं लक्ष्मी विलास पैलेस. Was very nice. Oh my god, photography and videography is not allowed inside, but still I managed to capture a few clips because the beauty was so good. It was so good. Just cannot resist myself. निकाल दिया थोड़े pictures और videos. Bus depot. Lucky I got the bus. बस में ले गया मैं. In 2 hours I'll be there in Statue of Unity and I hope it is open. finally made it to the Statue of Unity. So much. Oh my god. All of these vehicles are e-vehicles, produced by Gujarat government, and only women are driving these vehicles. Electrical vehicles, only women are driving. Very good initiative by Gujarat government, thanks to Modi. I'm having good mango. Gujarat special chana. Medium dal do भैया. Gujarat special chana. What do you call it? Whatever it is. My mom loves it. They have provided a good locker room. This is this. So I could keep my bag there around say. I can go to the Statue of Unity. But then I like this so much, so I took another one. So I have my train exactly at 9 p.m. in Kevadia. So I stop this place, food court. I'll have my food, dinner. After that I'll take an auto, go to this station, and directly I'll go to Ahmedabad. This is the food court. What the fuck? Finally, I'm having Subway. Today went absolutely amazing. Everything that I wanted to do, I did it according to the itinerary. First, I went to the railway station. I got freshened up, and after that, I immediately went to the auto guy. He took me to Vadodara Lakshmi Vilas Palace. Beautiful palace. I spent 2 hours there, and after that immediately went to this bus depot, which will take me to this place called Kadaveri, which is basically some place near to this Statue of Unity. And I had to wait 1 hour there because there was no bus. So I started at 3 o'clock, and it took me around 2.5 hours to reach there. And I reached exactly at 5:30 in that place. And I took an auto, went to the Statue of Unity. It was huge, absolutely amazing, mind blowing. So I spent around like half an hour there, took a lot of photos. It was also a little crowded because of the children's field trip. I don't know, some shit happened. And yeah, according to my plan, after that place I had to go to Ahmedabad again. But luckily, there's this train at Kadaveri which will take me from that place to directly at Ahmedabad station, and the train is at 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. and now the time is around 7. Yeah, it's around 7, and I have like around 1.5 hours to go there. So I have stopped at this amazing place, food court. This is exactly 5 kilometers away from Statue of Unity and 7 kilometers away from this railway station. So I'll happily have my lunch here. Dinner. So I took a big Subway bun. That will definitely make my day. And I'll go to this station. And according to day 2 itinerary, I'll go to Ahmedabad and I'll complete my whole journey there. Not whole journey. Second day itinerary I'll come. Bye. Hey guys, just now completed my lunch and I'm going to this mall. There's a small mall over there. These taxis are available everywhere. My room. Below average but no option. I freshened up. Tomorrow 11 o'clock is the checkout time and I'll get out from this place. उसके बाद